Where is our cash leaking? For mid-cap manufacturer Hariya Limited, the answer was 40 crore a year. Working capital isn't lost in one place. It leaks through three: payables, inventory, and receivables. Start with payables, the CFO's direct lever, especially with strict MSME payment rules tightening. Stretch terms too far and vendor trust cracks. Miss a 2% early discount on 5 crore and that's 10 crore lost. Duplicate vendor payments and off-contract buying across plants, these are silent direct hits to cash. A weak P2P process ripples to the plant floor, locking up crores in dead stock or forcing emergency imports at a heavy premium. Even receivables feels it. Strained vendor relationships mean weaker commercial terms with customers. These three aren't separate problems, they're one connected cycle. This cycle is the cash conversion cycle. 70 days of inventory plus 45 days to collect minus 52 days of vendor credit, giving Hariya Limited a 63-day operating cycle. A broken P2P process distorts this formula, leaving roughly 40 crore rupees trapped and unnoticed every year. P2P isn't back office, it's a strategic lever. Under quarterly scrutiny, seeing this systemic view is what separates good CFOs from great ones. See your working capital differently. Subscribe and follow for more updates.